Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to pin someone on Snapchat. Now, this is fairly easy, so all you need to do is you need to tap and hold on a person that you want to pin. And then, as you can see, you can pin them as your best friend. This is one way to do it. The second way to do it is actually available on iPhone. So you can't actually pin people on Android yet, right? So you'll need to update the app. If you still don't have this feature on Android, that means this feature is only available on iPhone as of right now. Now you'll be able to go here on iPhone and also pin conversation, right? And you'll be able to pin conversations, but this way you can also, or you can only pin Simon, for example, my friend here, as best friend, right? So this is the only way to do it currently. Yeah, if you want to pin someone on Snapchat, you need to have an iPhone, and it's the same process. You just tap hold and then pin the conversation. That's pretty much it. So that's how to pin someone on Snapchat. If you have any comments or questions about this, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.